Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm bringing you an updated video for our soup maker, pumpkin soup. You've all asked me for the side angle so you can see the different layers going in the soup maker rather than the top shot. We originally filmed it in a country cottage and now we've had our kitchen done. We just thought it would be really nice to show you off how to do soup maker pumpkin soup and show you the layers as they're going in. And also you'll love how delicious pumpkin soup is. And for the ingredients, it's really simple. You need a small quantity of vegetable stock. I'm talking very small here because what happens is the pumpkin is very watery. Add too much stock and you'll have dishwasher water. For example, here is 3/4 of a cup, which is about 180 ml. We've also got some chopped frozen garlic, an onion that we've chopped, and we've also got a big bowl of pumpkin. So that's 2 pounds of pumpkin, so 900 grams of pumpkin there. So now we're going to put it all together for you in the soup maker. So this is the soup maker we've got. It's the Ninja Hot and Cold Blender it's called, and it's brilliant because it has both a chunky and a smooth soup setting. Well, funny enough, the chunky is actually called hearty soup in the US. So we're going to start by adding in the pumpkin. So as you can see, it's already nearly full. If you've got a smaller soup maker like the Morphy Richards, you'll need to do half of these ingredients. And then next you want to add your onion on top. Oops, lost a bit there. So as you can see, it's absolute chocker there. But what happens is it mixes, it goes down because as the pumpkin's cooking and it keeps mixing, it'll soon be half full. So next, add a sprinkling of garlic on top. Then pour in your vegetable stock. As you can see, there's not a lot that you need because pumpkin is so watery naturally. And then once you've done that, you can decide which herbs and spices to use. I'll look in my cupboard to what I fancy. So you can go very Halloween-like and go with some pumpkin spice if you want. Nobody else in the family apart from me likes it. So I'm going with some oregano. And I'm also going with some sweet paprika as well. And then of course I recommend some salt and pepper as well. So now we've chosen our herbs and spices, you can add those in as well. So a sprinkling of salt. Then some pepper. And then we're adding in the oregano. Oh, I'm really looking forward to this soup now. And then last but not least, your paprika. And now it's ready for the lid to go on and for us to set it. Need to give it a push down when it's quite full. And there, you can see it's secured into place. So now you want to turn it on. And then it's simple as just pressing the chunky soup setting. And then it'll start the countdown for its 30 minutes. And we'll be back soon to show you what it looks like. So this is what it's like, and it's just got 10.5 minutes left. So as you can see, we've already got a gap at the top. So the soup maker is done. So now you want to blend it. I don't choose smooth soup. I choose chunky because then you can see if it needs more liquid and if it's not got enough liquid. So what you want to do is you want to be on the blend setting and you want to press medium. And swap it for a pulse and then just give it one last blast. And now you have got pumpkin soup. I mean, wasn't that easy to do? I just think just 22 seconds to blend it till smooth. I mean, it just amazes me, the soup makers. I just love it so much. Excited to dish up this soup and show you it close up. I mean, look at that, doesn't that look fabulous? And it makes a decent sized portion in this size soup maker. But of course, if you're using a smaller one like the Morphy Richards, you'll have about half of that soup. So grab your favourite bowl and dish some up. And you can see thereby how creamy and lovely it is. Oh, look at that, doesn't that look fabulous? And then of course, don't forget the bread. So now I'm going to tuck into this soup maker soup, and it's just a brilliant version that you can do. You can also do similar in the slow cooker as well, and in the Thermomix. If you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com, we have pumpkin soup over there with step-by-step photos, metric and imperial for the Thermomix, the soup maker and the slow cooker, as well as the Instant Pot version. So all I can say is go and grab those pumpkins and let's all make some pumpkin soup. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.